It's a really simple way to form holograms. You just need a compass and a plastic plate. You scratch the plastic plate according to the picture that you want to transfer into it, and so every scratch is a single dot of the picture. We can use it in educational process. We can give those compasses to school children and they can make it themselves, so they can see how simple it is to make a 3D picture in two-dimensional plate. There's a really interesting way to use it in art. There's one amazing artist that makes rotating, moving pictures with that, and he also offers it to use in architecture to decorate windows of the houses and so on.